Welcome to our lesson on logarithms. Today, we'll tackle a past question from the WAEC exam in 2022. Here's the question: log of 5x minus 4 equals log of x plus 1 plus log of 4. We need to find the value of x. Let's start with the equation we have. The equation is log of 5x minus 4 equals log of x plus 1 plus log of 4. Next, we will use the product law of logarithms. The product law states that the sum of two logs is the log of their product. Applying the product law, we rewrite the equation as log of 4 times x plus 1. Now, let's move everything to one side of the equation. This gives us log of 5x minus 4 minus log of 4 times x plus 1 equals 0. Next, we will apply the quotient law. The quotient law states that the difference of two logs is the log of their quotient. So, we can express our equation as log of the fraction 5x minus 4 over 4 times x plus 1 equals 0. Now, let's use the definition of logarithms. The definition tells us that if log base A of m equals n, then A raised to the n equals m. This means we can rewrite our equation as 10 to the power of 0 equals the fraction 5x minus 4 over 4 times x plus 1. Now, let's simplify 10 to the power of 0. We know that 10 to the power of 0 equals 1. So, we have the equation 5x minus 4 over 4 times x plus 1 equals 1. If this explanation is helping, please subscribe for more math solutions. Next, let's expand the denominator. Expanding gives us 4 times x plus 4. Now, we will substitute this back into our equation. This leads us to the equation 5x minus 4 over 4x plus 4 equals 1. Next, we need to clear the fraction. This results in the equation 5x minus 4 equals 4x plus 4. Now, let's collect like terms. This simplifies to 5x minus 4x equals 4 plus 4. Now, we can solve for x. This gives us the solution x equals 8. Next, we need to perform a validity check. We check that 5x minus 4 is greater than 0 and x plus 1 is greater than 0. Substituting x equals 8, we find both conditions are satisfied. We see that 5 times 8 minus 4 equals 36, which is greater than 0. Now, let's quickly check our original equation. Substituting x equals 8, we have log of 36 equals log of 9 plus log of 4. This simplifies to log of 36 equals log of 36. Our calculations confirm that both sides are equal. Thus, the final answer is x equals 8. Don't forget to subscribe for more.